Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday tasks into simple, straightforward steps. Today, we're diving into how to cancel your Maybank credit card online in 2025. If you're looking to part ways with your Maybank card, maybe you're switching banks or just simplifying your finances, this guide is for you. It's quick, easy, and can be done from the comfort of your home. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have a few essentials ready. You'll need access to your Maybank online banking account, your credit card details handy, and a stable internet connection. Oh, and remember, canceling a card might have implications like outstanding balances, so check your account for any pending payments first. Step 1. Log in to the Maybank website or mobile app. Head over to maybank2u.com.my or open the app, and enter your username and password. If you haven't logged in recently, you might need to verify with a one-time password sent to your registered phone or email. Security is key. Once you're in, navigate to the Cards or Credit Cards section. Look for your specific card under the dashboard. Now, find the option that says something like Manage Card or Card Services. Click on that, and you should see a Cancel Card button. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Next, you'll be prompted to confirm your details. Enter any required information, such as the reason for cancellation or your card's last 4 digits. Maybank might ask for additional verification here, like a security code, to ensure it's really you making this change. After that, review the cancellation summary. This will show any fees involved. Yes, some banks charge for early termination, so double-check before proceeding. Once you're sure, hit Confirm and follow any final on-screen instructions. You'll likely get a confirmation email or message shortly after. And just like that, you're done. Your Maybank credit card should be on its way to being cancelled. Remember, it might take a few days for the process to fully complete, so keep an eye on your account. If you run into any issues, reach out to Maybank's customer support. They're usually helpful. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.